Slow down, enjoy your meal. The dangers of eating too fast. Are you a fast eater? Eating too quickly can harm your health. Let's talk about why it's important to slow down. Overeating. When you eat too fast, your brain doesn't have time to register that you're full. This can lead to overeating and weight gain. Poor digestion. Chewing food thoroughly is important for digestion. Eating too fast can cause digestive problems like bloating and indigestion. Lack of enjoyment. Eating is not just about filling your belly, it's a chance to savor and enjoy your food. When you eat too fast, you miss out on the pleasure of eating, missed satisfaction. Eating slowly allows you to fully experience the flavors and textures of your food. When you rush, you don't fully appreciate your meal, and you may still feel unsatisfied. Increased risk of choking. Eating too quickly increases the risk of choking, especially if you're not chewing your food properly. So, next time you sit down for a meal, take your time, chew your food slowly, savor each bite, and enjoy the experience. Your body and taste buds will thank you for it.